Hey, back again here with Zyan and Z. So, right now, I'm continuing with the Loona Journey episode 8. Yeah, how are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing great. I'm kind of busy lately because I have been selected like for compete in a tournament. I'm a petang player, so like I have 3 weeks of intensive training, so I'm kind of busy, yes, but I still like search time for this because I need to enjoy my time. Today is like my rest day. I don't have any schedule for today, but tomorrow, yes, gonna continue with the intensive training. Huh, I'm beat, but yeah, K-pop kind of gave me energy, so gonna continue here right now. Let's leave it a like. I'm going to check out a Loona 1/3 that is 51 dB. This is a B-side, if I'm not mistaken. Wait, let me just read the description for a bit. Oh, there's nothing here. So, I'm hungry. Okay, let's continue here. Let go. Hmm.
Always 언제나 내 곁에 있어준 너를 보면 벅차올라. 그날 비가 참 많이도 내렸어. 아직도 난 그때를 기억해. 다가온 너였잖아. 날 일으켜준 내렸던 비만큼 더 간절했잖아. 소원이 있어. 나 너에게 말할 거야. 지금처럼 그렇게 있어달라고. 영원히 난 너와 함께 손을 잡고 싶어요. 어디든 그대 곁에 있다면 날 수 있어. 시간이 흘러도 꾸고 싶은 그토록 바라던 소중한 우리들만의 꿈. 지금 이대로 깨고 싶지 않은.
Okay, so this is like ballad, I think. Yeah, I guess so because it's slower, and I'm really attracted to Vivi's voice. Her voice is like so like, what do I say? Like her voice is sweet, and like enticing. Really like listening to her voice, but I noticed that she doesn't sing that much in groups. In Loona 1/3, she doesn't sing that much. She has a lovely voice. Okay, let's continue.
우리들만의 꿈 너와. 그리고 난 약속했지. 첫 번째 손가락 걸고 나를 보며 오늘부터 우리에겐 좋은 일들만 있을 거라고. 저 멀리 내린 별빛을 따라가다 맞잡은 우리 두 손 놓치게 되면 은하수를 건너서라도 만날 거야. 두 번 다신 떨어지지 않을
be honest, I thought Hassel was going to make the high note. I know that there's like a high note going like to come in, but I didn't know that Hyejin was going to take that high note actually. Impressive.
서로 바라던 소중한 우리 둘만의 꿈 yeah. 지금 이대로 깨고 싶지 않은 우리 둘만의 꿈
What was I going to say? What the fudge? I forgot what was I was going to say. Ah, remember. This B-side is what I noticed in the first, like from the beginning. This is like a karaoke, like a karaoke TV. I saw like some words, the lyrics there. So it's like a karaoke, right? Like when people go to karaoke and they sing and there's lyrics there. There's a video plus the lyrics over the video. So it's like that, right? Like I don't know, but yeah, it seems like it's good to go to karaoke with that. I don't know. I have not in my life. I have never go to like a karaoke bar or something. Never. Have never. I don't know if I'm going to go because I don't know. My mom doesn't really like don't go there. Just don't. She said. So being a good child I am and being like what like a sister that a good sister to my other siblings, so I'm not going there. Okay, let's leave a like here. This member, how do I pronounce this? Loona Choerry. Choerry, well, I guess that is how it is pronounced. Choerry. Okay. Choerry. I don't know who's Choerry. I don't have any clue who this is. So, oops, forgot. So, like this name is so new. I don't know anything about this person. Like I know Hassel, like she's the leader, so of course I know a little bit about her. I know Olivia Hay. I know Hyejin, but not this. Yojin I know because she's like so cute and I bet she's the maknae and she is, but I don't know nothing about this person right now. So let's check. The sound of the sea. Oh, it is the sea.
너랑 걷다가 스친 손등에 네가 마시다 건네준 레모네이드 온종일 네가 부른다
That's Yojin and Hassel. So is her color purple? It shows on the outfit she's wearing it and it's like purple and white. Okay.
설레네 커질 대로 커진 내 마음 풍선껌처럼 가져가 my heart
It's still purple.
사랑이 뭐가 뭔지 A to Z 난 아직 몰라도 키 끝에 떨리는 이 느낌 That's a love cherry motion 한여름밤 보랏빛 금속으로 Love cherry magic 너와 함께
Oh,
꿈꾸는 paradise 내 눈에 내 맘에 네가 있어
I have never seen her face. Like seriously, I have never seen her face. Like this is my first time looking at her. I don't remember. I've been watching uh Luna's video, like dance practice, So what? And Butterfly, like I've never seen her face. Or I don't know. Let's continue. Oh, oh. Okay, that went like a cutesy, like having fun, and then the beat changes and then drop, boom. She was like her seductive gaze and all. Okay, let's rewatch, re-listen to that. That was so like I was I was out of guard. Like I didn't know it was going to be like that. The beat, you know. Okay. Who was that? Is that a mirror? Oh, it's a mirror. Mirror, mirror, mirror. Choerry. Oh my god, the beat just dropped. Okay, about the mirror, did she just drop the cherry and like onto it, and then is it like another dimension? Like she's at another dimension. Is that why she drop it and then she grab it back? Is that it? That was like so cool. Boom. Wow. I just saw Kim Lip and Jin Soul there. What? And they're both blonde in here. Okay, continue. Oh, and dang, Kim Lip. Whoa, this is a really nice scenery. It really like showcases her colors purple, you know, like wow. I want to like learn how to edit this. Maybe I don't know if it's like they just changed the color, you know. I guess so. Okay, let's continue. Why are there three? Okay, there are three. Is it like is that Kim Lip and Jinsol? And one is her. Is that it? I don't know about these things, you know. Okay. Oh, maybe my fault. I haven't read the description, you know. Okay, who is this in a dress? Okay, I just read the description, and this is a funky pop dance. This was really good. Like, I have never heard this kind of genre actually. Funky pop dance. That and I really enjoy this one. As I can see in the music video, Choerry is a really, she has a really juicy charm. Like stated in the description, like she's like really like refreshing to be look at. When I saw Kim Lip and Jinsol at the video, and it says here, lets the audiences to take a little peek at the new unit for the fans to look forward to. Yes, I am looking forward to it very much because this was really good. I can't wait to see Odd Eye Circle. Yes, the new subunit that I am going to watch the next episode is Loona Odd Eye Circle. Yeah, that is for episode 8, you guys. Gonna see you guys in episode 9. That is my reaction to Loona Odd Eye Girlfriend, and also what? Lunatic, I guess? But it's an official lyric video. But I guess I'm going to check that out. That is all for this episode. I hope you guys enjoyed, like I enjoyed watching Loona. It's really like an adventure here, like a journey. Yes, it is an adventure to me. Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and also comment down below what you guys feeling. I would love to know. So see you guys in my next video. Thanks a bunch.